Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today also I came with another topic. Today my topic is 7 kg front loader washing machine, brand wise Samsung. This machine having actually problem while we are selecting any option. Machine not going step by step, that's mean motor not rotating. While we are selecting any option, within few minutes it's showing 3E error message. This is the problem with this machine. You can see here, this is 7 kg diamond model wise WF0700NCW. This is the problem with this machine. Now I am going to repair this machine and I will show you how to repair this one, and also we will go to the next step. Power connection. Now again I'm selecting here spin cycle and we will start the machine. You can hear the noise, or the door already got locked here. Drain pump also working. Drain pump working still. Now pump already got stop. At the same time it should start the motor, but now it is not starting motor. Now we have to check the motor first. After that only we can identify what is the exact problem. Now we will remove the back cover. After that we will remove the motor. After the we have to check the motor connection, motor carbon brush, everything. After that only we can recognize what is the exact problem. Now we will go to the next step. Now we will remove here all 4 screws. We have to unscrew. Now we can little bit lift off. After that it will come very easy. This one connector is okay, but I will remove the connector now. It's not burning, it's not short, but so many carbons are here. Now I will remove the V belt here, drum belt. Also we have to remove the motor now. Now I remove all 2 screws, nuts from the motor. Now we can take from the down. Now you can see, dear friends, this is the motor. Motor actually is not wire shorted anything, but we will remove the brush. After that we can understand. I'm removing here brush. Both brush we will remove. Now we can check here. Yes dear, you can see it is both brushes are gone. That's why it's showing error message, 3E error message. After replacing 2 brushes, motor will start to run. Now I will remove the brushes here. I will remove the cover. This one already gone. Now we have to replace 2 brushes. After that our problem will get resolved. Yes my dear, now I having carbon brushes as same. You can see here, this is same brushes. You can see this one, and what about this one? And now I'm going to replace this one. Now you can see dear, I can replace the carbon brushes like that. Also this one. Now I can fix here. I will give the connections, otherwise I will fix first. After that we can give the connections. Anyway, I will give the power here. Anyway, I will fix already. Now I can fix screws. Also other one. I will connect. Okay. Now it's okay. Now it's okay my dear. For fixing I will enter the motor here. And also I will give the connections. I will connect the power here. And also we will check before fixing. If it is okay, it is working, we can fix permanently. Now again I given already power connection. Now I'm selecting again direct spin cycle. I will start the machine. Door already got lock. Pump also working. Now we will check the motor. The bearing and all okay. No problem bearing. Yes my dear. Only the problem with the motor carbon buses are gone, because of that it's showing error message. Now we can fix. Now you can see dear friends, motor is working properly. Only the problem with the carbon buses are gone. Now we can fix with the tub. Motor no any issue, everything perfect. We will fix with the machine now, and after that we will check again. Now I'm going to fix with the motor with the machine. Now it should come like that. Now it's okay. Now I will fix 2 nuts. Now it's okay. Now I will fix the belt. Now I'm going to fix the V belt here. Now I already fixed belt also, V belt. Now it's okay. Now we will check with the power again. Yes dear, I already opened on the machine as same before spin cycle. Now you can see here drum is rotating. That means my job is complete now. Machine is running well. Now increasing RPM. Now I have to check with the water. After that I can hand over to the customer. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thank you again.